Welcome back. In part 1, we learned how to use split, sounds, and sound effects in CapCut. In this part 2, we'll explore everything about text. You'll learn how to add text, customize it, use text effects, and create eye-catching text animations to make your videos look more professional and engaging. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Now let's explore the text tool, one of the most useful features in CapCut. If you want to add titles, headings, subtitles, or any message to your video, this is the tool you'll use. Simply tap on Text and then select Add Text. Type anything you want, then customize it by changing the font, size, color, style, and position. You can also make your text stand out by adding shadows, outlines, or backgrounds. To make your videos more engaging, tap on the animation option. Here you can choose an entrance animation, an exit animation, or a loop animation that keeps playing while the text is on the screen. A simple tip: don't use too many fonts or bright colors in one video. Keeping your text clean and consistent makes your content look much more professional. Now let's talk about text effects. If you want your text to look more attractive and grab your viewers' attention, this is the feature you should use. First, tap on your text layer, then select Effects. Here you'll find different styles like glow, neon, shadow, blur, outline, and many more. Simply choose the effect that matches your video's style. Now let's explore the Effects tool. Effects are used to make your videos more attractive, dynamic, and professional. To add an effect, tap on Effects at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll find two main categories: video effects and body effects. Open any category, browse through the available effects, and tap on the one you like to preview it. If you're happy with the result, tap the check mark to apply it. You can also adjust the duration of the effect by dragging its edges on the timeline so it appears only where you want it. CapCut offers many effect styles such as glitch, blur, retro, VHS, camera, sparkle, and cinematic effects. One important tip: don't use too many effects in a single video. Choose effects that match your content and use them only at the right moments. This will make your videos look clean, professional, and much more enjoyable to watch. Now let's explore video animation. This feature allows you to animate your video clips and make your edits look much more professional. First, tap on the video clip you want to animate. Then select the animation option. Here you'll find three categories: in, out, and combo. In animations control how your video enters the screen. Out animations control how it leaves. And combo animations combine both movements to create a smooth and dynamic effect. Simply choose any animation you like, then adjust its duration using the slider to control the speed. For the best results, use animations only where they add value, such as at the beginning of a clip or when switching between scenes. Overusing animations can make your video feel distracting, so keep them smooth and consistent for a clean, professional look. That's it for part 2. I hope you learned how to use text, text effects, and video animation in CapCut. In part 3, we'll explore even more powerful CapCut tools that will take your editing skills to the next level. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in part 3.